we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French neurologist from history. We'll be looking at how to say more names from the history of science as well, so make sure to stay tuned. So how do you say this name? This is his full name, and he's generally, it's generally shortened. But anyhow, if you want to hear his full name, that's how it is said. In France, in French, it is pronounced as Guillaume Benjamin Amand. Those are his three given names: Guillaume Benjamin Amand, Duchenne de Boulogne. He's generally referred to as simply Guillaume Duchenne de Boulogne. You could say it in English, Guillaume Duchenne de Boulogne, or Guillaume Benjamin Amand, Duchenne de Boulogne. In French again, Guillaume Benjamin Amand, Duchenne de Boulogne. Guillaume Benjamin Amand, Duchenne de Boulogne. And now, you know. I hope this was useful. Thanks to the person who requested this video. I enjoy receiving requests. Thank you to everybody supporting the channel. Thanks.